a 2022 Honda Pilot key fob. This is how you open it to replace the battery. Flip it over, sliding button right here at the bottom. Slide it over to the right with your thumb, hold it there, pull out the emergency key, okay? Once you have that out, you're gonna use a small flathead screwdriver. See this area right here, this piece of plastic here, this piece of plastic here that's sticking up. We're gonna put the screwdriver in right here, and this is gonna be our pry point. I'm gonna pry it like this, okay? Just enough to crack it open. I wanna make sure I turn the remote back over with the buttons facing down, okay, before I open it up all the way. Because if I open it up the other way, the buttons can fall out, and we're in the car right now, we don't wanna lose them, okay? So we're gonna hold on to this. All this becomes loose. The bottom here, just pry out the battery. Show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in at the top first, like this. Lock it in like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up the correct size battery. Get the back cover, slide it on top. Start at the very front here and work our way down. Lock it together, make sure it's all clicked together. Now you know you have it right when the emergency key goes back in and locks, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and I hope to see you again in another Honda video.